Well, that's us got our permits. A nice wee cup of coffee to sit in and wait for the snow to come off, believe it or not. It was belting down there. But now we're making our way back down, or making our way down to the water anyway. It's turned out that nice. We were actually considering going home. But it's a nice wee walk, it's not too cold. Thank goodness that snow didn't stay on. But, nice wee walk round to the sunny side. Although I don't like the sun and lies. But we'll see how long it'll last. If the fish are there, which, oh, they're there. It's a pleasant fishery to walk round. We're hoping to have a good day. Just Hans and I today again. Collie's back's killing him, so he's calling off for a week or two. Well, it's certainly nice. Well, that was a bit of a waste of time. No fish, sun in my eyes. Well, we both decided to go around the other side of the water, get the sun at our back. A wee bit of a breeze there, but it's not too bad. And the weather seemed to be very changeable. But it's not a killer today. This lad here, he was around where we were fishing as well. He hooked one there, but that was all. And I've seen him losing a fish here. I spent a wee quarter of an hour here before I carried on. There we are, that's me up beside Hans there. Nice bit of water. The wind's not bad at all. I like it up this end. So does Hans. Oh, they're good sturdy platforms, and it's nice to get the rod out. Not a thing to worry us. All we need is fish. And there we are. Feels a good fish. Hands it away at the corner. I remember right, I think we were both out to fish at the same time. That's a nice fish. Nearly got away. There we are. That's what it was caught on, the blue flash damsel. That's what Hans is fishing as well. Oh, I'm into another. That was a good move. That was a good move to come round here. I wonder if it's on that blue flash damsel again. It's putting up a tussle. Doesn't it like the net? Oh, the fish must have disturbed a fish at the top. It's made a good account of itself as well. I think we've done well coming around here. Yeah, feel a lot better now. That's good. Yeah, a nice £5. Blue flash damsel again. That's 2 for the pot. Both Hans and I were doing very well right along the side here. Cast quite a fair distance out, but the fish were taking well. Hans, he was complaining about having lost a lot of fish. I got broke once and near him into another fish. Oh, we've had about 10. I've had 10. Hans at 10. They're all good fish. 4 or 5 pounders. Nice fish in anybody's book. There we are. That's the 3 I've taken home. There for the pot. Letting them go as well. It's not like me right now, but I do let them go now and again. Lovely brownie. That's a nice brownie, about 4 or 5 pound. And of course we always meet someone. Always meet someone. It's good. It's nice. Yeah, this is Hans into the last one, I think. Sebastian. That's what they call her through his wife. The last. We'll make our way back down the road now. Weigh in. 3 weigh in for £13, which is good in anybody's book. Now we can go home. Well, Hansel had a great day. 10 each. He returned 10, I returned 7, took 3 home. Three rainbow for £13 exactly. I put a nice brownie back about £5. Great day.